Hello, Platte County student, staff, friends, and families. Chris here from Major Saver. We are so excited to be kicking off the 2023 Major Saver fundraiser in your schools today. Students, each one of you are going home with a packet that looks just like this. Please do us a huge favor and clearly print your first and last name, teacher's name, and grade here at the top. That way, if it gets lost or misplaced, we can get it back to you as quickly as possible. Fold it, put it in your backpack or your take-home folder. Get this out tonight. Share this information with your families. There's a lot of good information here on the front side of the packet. Now, I'm sure a lot of you remember, but this is a reminder, the Major Saver card is a discount card. It entitles the holder of the card to go to 18 local businesses, all offering a buy one, get one free deal or a special discount to the card holder. The card itself costs $15. In addition to those 18 local businesses, you're also going to get access to the Major Saver app that has thousands of reusable offers on it that can be used both locally and regionally, as well as nationwide if you're out traveling. Now, who are some good people to sell the Major Saver card to? Think friends and families, moms and dads, aunts and uncles, grandparents, friends of your family. If you're involved with sports or activities outside of school and it's cool with them, take this along with you. You might run into someone, doesn't have a student here in the district, but they'll end up buying a Major Saver card from you because it's such an awesome value. Now, how can they go about buying a card? That's a great question. They have two options. The first one is cash or check. You're going to put their money inside of this envelope. You're going to write their name over here in this box so you know whose money you have collected and who you will owe the cards to. You'll then bring the packet back with you to school if you have money to turn in on any of the collection days that are listed here in the upper left-hand corner on the picture of the calendar. The very first day is Tuesday, September the 12th, and the last day is Tuesday, September the 19th. We will be in your schools every day for 1 week. If you have money to turn in, please give your envelope to your teacher first thing in the morning. They'll send it down to the office. Our Major Saver rep will stop by during the day. We'll take the money out, we'll put the cards in, we'll put the prizes in, then we'll give you your packet back so you can keep on selling until that last collection day. Option number 2 for buying a card is on our website using your credit or debit card. To make the process even easier on them, we would highly encourage you, the student, to visit our website first and click on the button at the top that talks about creating a unique student link. By doing so, you'll enter in your information, you'll be given a link that you can email out directly from our website, more on that later, or you can send that link out to friends and family via text message, social media, however you want to send it out. But the best part is when they click on that link to buy their Major Saver card, you will automatically be credited for that sale. We'll mail the card to the person who bought it, and then we'll deliver your prizes to school on one of the collection days that are listed here in the upper left-hand corner. Now, 2 important things to note about our online sales process. 1, as I mentioned just a few seconds ago, all online sales, the cards are mailed directly to the person who bought them. So if you've sold some cards online, you will not be getting them in your envelope like you do for cash and check sales. Important point number 2 is it does not have to be just a Platte County card for you and your schools to receive credit for the sale. Doesn't matter where it comes from. It could be another district here in the Kansas City area or as far away as Colorado, Denver, Dallas, Chicago, Indianapolis. Doesn't matter where it comes from. If they buy a card and credit you, the student, back here in Platte County, you will receive credit for that sale. Now, on the backside of our packet is our entire prize program. We've got some great stuff lined up for you this year. Stay tuned. Here it comes. Now on to the fun stuff, the prizes. On the backside of your packet, you will see our entire prize program laid out for you. Our prizes range from selling just one little old Major Saver card all the way to selling 50 Major Saver cards. So let's get started. Our prize for selling one card this year, we have our glitter poppers. They come in all different colors. Simply turn them inside out, put them down on a hard surface, off they fly. These are our glitter poppers. This is our prize for selling one Major Saver card. After one card, we go to 3. Our 3-card prize, we have our bouncing foam putty. Comes in all different colors. You can mix them together, leave them solid like I have, rolled into a ball, off it bounces. This is our bouncing foam putty. This is our prize for selling 3 Major Saver cards. After 3, we go to 7. Now, 7 cards being sold is a really special treat. For every student who sells 7 cards, not only you get the 1-point prize and the 3-point prize, you're also going to get hooked up with the Kona Ice VIP party here at school. So we'll select a day that works for your principal. Any student who sells 7 or more Major Saver cards will get to attend the Kona Ice party at school. After 7, we go to 12. Our 12-point prize, we have our flashing light bulb cup. Comes with a lanyard. This is great to take your drink with you when you're out riding your bike, walking around your neighborhood. Has a crazy twisty straw here in the bottom. This is our 12-point prize, is our LED light bulb cup. After 12, we go to 16. These things are my personal favorite. We have our reverse Eggimals. Now, I'm sure you guys can help me out with this. So this frog turns into a penguin. This unicorn turns into a pig, and this panda turns into a bird. So these are our Egimals, our reverse Egimals. They're our 16-point prize, again, for every student who sells 16 or more Major Saver cards. After 16, we go to 20. This thing rocks. This is our Bluetooth LED speaker. Comes in all different colors. The LEDs on the inside light up. You can change them by selecting the different buttons here. But again, this is our 20-point prize. This is our LED Bluetooth speaker. After 20, we go to 35. Now, I've had this prize on the entire time. Any student who sells 35 or more Major Saver cards will get an Ultra Smart Watch. It pairs to an Android or an Apple device through an app that you can download. But again, any student who sells 35 or more Major Saver cards will be getting an Ultra Smart Watch. After 35, we go to 50. Our 50-point prize this year, we have our 3-wheeled swing scooter. Obviously, these will be delivered to school after the fundraiser. We don't have room on our cart and bin for these. But again, any student who sells 50 or more Major Saver cards will get the 3-wheeled swing scooter in addition to all of your other prizes. Now, up here in the upper left-hand corner of your packet, you're going to notice the calendar that has the collection dates. Now, on some of those collection dates, you're going to see a star that indicates a special bonus prize. And the first one I want to talk to you about is our Day 1 bonus for our Coop Squad collectible keychains. There's 12 unique designs. You'll get one for every card sold between now and the very first collection day. So any online sales leading up to the first collection day qualify. Any cash or check sales on the first day qualify as well, because you'll get one of our Coop Squad characters in addition to all your other prizes. Now, one more Coop to tell you about here at the bottom, our special edition Golden Coop. You can earn this by when you register for your unique student link, by then sending it out through our website. There's a form that pops up. If you enter 10 or more email addresses, send that out, you'll get the Golden Coop absolutely free. No purchase necessary. It doesn't need to be a card sold. But again, that's a special bonus that will run throughout the entire campaign. Now, let's check out these Coop Squad characters in a little more detail. Wow, those Coop keychains are awesome. Stay safe selling, and we'll see you next week.